ka jingpyrshang thaw Sorkar ha ka Meghalaya imat kalam sak Īatan tyllai namar ka jingle yadon lang MLA klemseng na Baghmara u kartush marak ha ka jelang ki MLA ka NPP bat BJP ha ka step kalai tarik luber arjar pulai ha ying sa umtirang ba ka jalaw konrad ke sangma ka NPP kala job armrew ngut ki MLA kayo jingkershan arngut ki MLA ka BJP nalor u MLA ka Baghmara kat kum ki tulong khobor ka United Democratic Party ka don khatbai ngut ki MLA mar arngut na ka PDF bat HSPDP saungut na ka VPP bat mar sangut ki MLA na ka All India Trinamool Congress bat Indian National Congress nalor u MLA klemseng na ramra jangam ki don la ka jong ka jingthmu ban thaw ka Sorkar bat thamai klem ka NPP bat BJP hakani ka kenhun balalam khamat da ka UDP kidan lai phongut kemali bat hakikat to kat nipor kila banmi banlek kam ban thaw Sorkar naulat ka jala kuman syukdo ba ka jala Meghalaya kala sakhi ya ka jinyo but ka artarik luber arajar pulai na kisan phukhnai tili ki currency like ka soyong constituency kaban saya sak election haki khndiat yo banwan
just now they have PP meeting of all the newly elected NPP MLAs. Just now we had a meeting and we decided and we have also elected Shri Conrad Sangma, our Chief Minister, as the PP leader of the NPP. That is the decision we taken this morning. And the rest, please, our Chief Minister will detail all of it.
We are, of course, our NPP MLAs are on their way because all election results got over last night. So till they are formally here, of course, on the phone we have spoken to everybody, and we are going to proceed as a party. And of course, BJP has given its formal support to us, but we are going to meet the Honourable Governor, requesting him to call us and invite the National People's Party to form the government. And in the meantime, as I said, the BJP and other political parties have already extended their support, and those details are still with us.
So how many political parties are?
We'll let you know. We have been communicated. Yeah, we've been communicated that the Honourable Home Minister and the Honourable Prime Minister would like to attend the swearing in. And therefore we are waiting for confirmation from the Honourable Prime Minister's office. So if he will be attending the swearing in, then we'll have to wait for the dates according to the Prime Minister. By the National People's Party being the single largest party to form the government, and as I said, we have already got support from different political parties, and that we will let you know. But just want to tell you that we have sufficient.
What will be the name of the coalition?
We'll sit down. We'll sit down and discuss.
Will it be MDA?
Well, we're to sit with the partners. Today we just had a meeting only with our NPP mainly, and of course our independent from Baghmara is also here already. And BJP. So right now we are our 29. 29 means as a party from different independent and the political parties.